like, shit, it's Shad, Shad, Shad. It's a Shad. Oh. Oh, tangle on this.
Yeah, tangled.
That fish is tangled on everything, dude. Oh. Dad, you're tangled on everything. Hold on, leave it there. I'll untangle it. Bruh. There. It's still there. You're still there.
You thought it came off?
No, it didn't come off. It's right there. Oh shit! Oh, I got it came off and I got it. I came off and I got it. Oh shit!
What the heck was that? That's right there, dude.
No, that's all the way back here, man. Guy. Oh, it's right there.
Yeah.
Good job.
That's a pretty good one.
Nice one. Let's go.
Actually, bring it that side and then let that net it.
There's Kaka's line here. It's gonna be hard. Yeah, I know. Dad, what are you doing? Yeah. Can't see. It's a small one, but. Alright. But did you see that? Dad, you have to make sure you wash your rod. Cause it just. Alvin, you had to bite on that. You had to pull down on that one, the right one. I gotta watch it. Because that one just tapped. It was like a striper bite, and you just set the hook. That's a nice one. Oh yeah, that's nice, dude. Like I even fit this net. Oh, it's tangled on something too.
Bring it that way.
It's in. Random white jig.
Huh?
Random white jig head on there.
I think so. Gotta retie one.
I gotta retie him. Oh, Dad. Oh, shit. Pull the drift sock, pull the drift sock. Come on, Dad. There you go. Just pull it, but pull it this way. Just keep dragging it this way slowly. And you'll be good. Huh? Okay, there you go. Oh, you got two on, Dad. You have two. You have two. Do it really careful. You have two. You have two. You have two on. You have two on. Slowly, slowly. Do it slow. Let's do it slow. Take your time. Take your time. Take your time. Take your time. But you're gonna have to lift it up higher. Oh, dude, I can't. Oh, lift it up. Bring it this way. Let's bring it this way. Slowly. I can get one of them. All right, I can get the other one. Let's bring it here. Bring it. Oh, this other one. This other one needs to get in. All right, double. Good boy. Nice. I think one of them I think one of the jigs broke. Woo. There we go.
That's why it was pulling so hard.
Help, give me the net, give me the net. Give me the net. Today's the day. Today's the day we redeem ourselves. Oh,
That's a small one.
It's a small one.
That's a small one.
I still gotta net it though.
Yeah, they didn't pull anything.
All right, bro. They're coming in. 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 I got it. That was green. Give me the net. Where's net? Where's net? He's hooked on like he's tangled up. Where's net? Oh, right here. Damn, Kaka, you hooked on every line, dude. Kaka's tangled on everything. I gotta wait. Let me get. All right, let me untangle it here. Should be okay. I haven't washed my rods. I was getting a bite. Oh shit. Good job. Hey, the yellow jig head's working hella good. The yellow jig head is working so. Hey. Help me take it out.
Yellow jig head is good.
Oh. Nih, gis na nih. Yeah. Yeah, boy. Hey, what the heck? Oh, it's wrapped around somehow. I don't know how. Your money in the bank. Small one.
You're gonna have to get it over here.
Oh, it came off.
Oh.
I couldn't, you know why? I'm tangled with this rod. I couldn't do much. No. Yeah, it fights good, I'm telling you. That's why it comes off.
Quick.
It's fun, huh?
It's fun watching our handline.
Yeah, I can't see. Hey, Gicho. Kaka, you gotta bring it, dude. Where is it? Don't miss it. Kaka, you have too much line.
Hey, it's
Kiतना line tangle करा, dude.
dude. How much line does he have tangled?
Me. Damn, it's big.
It's making me sick.
Came off?
No.
Where is it? Oh shit, it's a nice one. Oh, look how big this one is. Heck of big.
I wonder how that feels on his handline.
Look. Heck yeah. Money. Look at that fish.